and welcome to my 22nd video exploring Google by Let's Learn Together with Kartavya. Topics we will cover today: Introduction to Google, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Slides, Google Sheets, Google Earth, Google Classroom, and Review. So, first we will read the PPT, then we will proceed and cover these topics. Reminder, everyone, as you know that tomorrow is a workshop. In the video climax, I told you about some topics for today. I will tell you in detail. The Zoom link will be provided in description of the video, the Telegram chat, and also on your personal email given in the registration. The body of the workshop: Introduction, discussing doubts in Zoom meeting chat. Worksheet time, let's end the meeting. In worksheet time, we will do a worksheet. Wish you all a happy worksheet day tomorrow, and please tell is it helpful or not after the workshop. Please note that the recording of the workshop will be posted on YouTube. So here comes Google. So here you can see this is the browser page, first page of Google. So here is a three dot, a square of dots, like Google app. When we click on it, we see several of our icons. So I have ready all the things, so it is more convenient. So this is the Google Docs. So in this, it's only like Microsoft Word, but comparatively, I think Google this one is more better because it has several features. My Drive. So this is Google Drive. Actually, Google Drive saves things. So as you know, Office 365, Office 19, like Google also have G Suite. It is paid actually, and if we have G Suite, we have unlimited storage. So you can see here storage left. So like you can see here. I will come from here. Google Slides. So here you can see the PPT, and I have made several PPTs on it. Yes, so we can make PPTs here, and there are lots of themes and nice things. Like we can import themes and like select a file from your device. We can do like this. So now comes the nice part. Let's go back. Google Sheets. It's like Microsoft Excel. So we can make like it's only like Excel. So no need to explanation. I think so. What's the next topic? The next topic we will cover today is Google Earth. Yes, the next topic is Google Earth. Yes, Google Earth. So Google Earth is here, and Google Earth is a Earth model online. I think Google Earth is the best Earth online. So it can show places like this is the Earth, full Earth, and so we can search a particular place like Parliament House, Sunset Marg, India. So it will show like very nicely. Here you can see how Google Earth has shown it. So we can search places If you have if you live in a colony, your exact place also can be like. And if you put street view button, you can like we have street view, but in this India, if you in India something, the street view doesn't come. So I think it is coming here. So here you can see street view of it. Yes. So it is quite interesting. Our next topic is Google Classroom. Yes. Listen carefully. It is below Hangouts. Yes. So like in this we can assign assignment like, so we can create class, drawing class, anything. So I've made 2 sample classes like this only. So now we are coming to an end. Just wait a minute. Contact me on Telegram, discussion tab, comments. Yes. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.